mentioned temperament. In that case, there were a lot of issues, a lot of evidentiary issues going both ways. And sometimes the issues would go our way, sometimes they would not. Garry always maintained an even temperament no matter which way the evidence fell or which way the rulings fell. And I think that speaks very highly as to his qualifications as a Superior Court judge. Garry is the type of individual. If I'm having a problem on one of my cases, I can go into his office, speak with him for about 10 or 15 minutes, and I generally leave feeling much better than when I came in as to whatever the particular issue is. He has an amazing intellect, but coupled with that, he has a very calming influence, which I think will do him very well as a Superior Court justice. Another thing that Garry has is a love for the law. Counsel Ryan, I know you do some personal injury. Attorney Inge has never handled PIP cases before. And I can tell you that he learned PIP, which is, I call it akin to learning antitrust law. He's learned it backwards and forwards. He's tried 2 PIP jury trials and won both of them. So
you guys win every case.
I lost one 2 weeks ago. So it's the same issue. But I practiced both in Boston area and out in Worcester, and I've been to probably just about every district and Superior Court. I've been insurance had my entire career. I've seen a lot of judges. I've seen very good judges, not so good judges. I think you can't do better than confirming Garry Inge as the Superior Court.
Thanks very much. Any questions?